Hi guys, it's LJ from Tech Center, and in this video we will be repairing a Samsung TV that won't turn on. The TV has the red standby light on, and when you press the power button, the standby light only blinks once to go back to standby mode. We suspect that it's the power supply board, a faulty or swollen capacitor, so without further ado, let's open it up. So to complete this repair you will need 1. Screwdrivers, a star screwdriver. 2. Soldering iron and solder. 3. Desoldering pump optional. 4. Replacement capacitor, same rating as the faulty one. Always keep in mind safety first before opening your TV. 1. Unplug the TV. Ensure the TV is disconnected from the power source to avoid any risk of electric shock. 2. Prepare your workspace. Set up a clean, well-lit area to work. Use an anti-static mat if available to prevent any static damage to electronic components. Remove screws and the back cover. Locate the power supply board and identify the power supply board. The power supply board is usually where the power cord connects to the TV. It's a large circuit board with several capacitors, resistors, and other components. Take out the power supply board and inspect for faulty capacitors. Look for capacitors that are swollen, leaking, or have a bulging top. These are likely the faulty components causing the issue. Let's replace the capacitor. Place the new capacitor into the board, ensuring the correct polarity match the positive and negative leads to the markings on the board. Solder the new capacitor. Solder the leads of the new capacitor to the board. Ensure the solder joints are clean and solid to avoid any loose connections. Trim excess leads. If the leads of the new capacitor are long, trim the excess with wire cutters.